limit of 3x plus mod x divided by 7x minus 5 times of mod x as x tends to 0 is equal to what? Option A minus 2, option B 1 by 6, option C 2, option D does not exist. ನೋಡಿ, ಮಾಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ಲಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟು ಮತ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎರಡೂ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ mod x is equal to plus x if x greater than 0. Mod x is equal to minus x if x less than 0. Okay? ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as x tends to 0 minus means x less than 0. For x less than 0, mod x equal to what? Minus x. Here 3x, mod x goes to minus x divided by 7x minus. Mod x is anything but minus x. Here minus plus 5x. Clearly, limit x tends to 0 minus 3x minus x is about 2x divided by 7x plus 5x is nothing but 12x. X's get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 6s are. Limit of 1 by x is a constant. Limit of constant is equal to constant. LHL is equal to 1 by 6. Similarly to find out RHL, compulsory to find out LHL and RHL when the given function is mod. Limit x tends to 0 plus means x greater than 0. For x greater than 0, mod x equal to plus x. Here 3x plus mod x is nothing but plus x divided by 7x minus mod x is nothing but plus into minus 5x. Limit x tends to 0 plus 3x plus x is nothing but 4x. 7x minus 5, 2x. X's get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Limit of 2 is 2. Here LH is 1 by 6. RHL is 2. LHL is not equal to RHL. Therefore, the value does not exist. Suppose LHL value 1 by 6 ಬಂದಿದೆ, RHL value 1 by 6 ಬಂದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು? 1 by 6 ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ RHL 2 ಬಂದಿದೆ, LHL 2 ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು. LHL is not equal to RHL, therefore option D is the answer.